In this module, we're going to talk about the online traffic. Traffic is the bloodline of all online business. If you don't have any idea what traffic is, don't worry because it's very simple. Whenever someone visits your website, offer page, or your sales page, that's traffic. You may have the best of the best offers, but if you don't have the right targeted traffic, then you cannot make any money. But once you have the right offer with a high targeted traffic, then you can produce profit. To make money online, you need a targeted traffic, and that's why it's very important. Let me take you to my #1 secret untapped traffic source to help you start making affiliate commissions quickly. This exact traffic has helped me build my email list from 0 to 5,000 plus, in addition to daily cash commissions. Let's go to my email over here first, and you can see that commissions are pouring in while I'm recording the videos. On the other hand, here's my Auber account, which has 5,000 plus subscribers. And here are my daily commissions with different promotions. I'm just showing this so you can imagine how your pages should look in the future. And I want to deliver the most important information to you. I just want to emphasize, too, how important it is to drive targeted traffic to your offers. Moving on, my first secret traffic source, which I'm going to discuss with you, is known as solo ads. Solo advertisement is the method of sending an email about your offer, which you are promoting to another marketer's list. Right now, if you do not have a list or your list is still small, what you can do is contact marketers with huge lists. Tell them that you'll send an offer to their email list and pay some amount of money. Like I said, you send them to a squeeze page first. That moves towards the offer. This is how you leverage other people's list to get you leads and sales. To make it clear for you, I'll show you an example. For example, you have XYZ offer and you want to make more money. How do you do that? First is to create a squeeze page. Then contact people with an email list of say 70,000, 30,000, etc. One way of finding people in the solo ads business is through Facebook. Just search for solo ads groups and start there. Interact with people first and ask around. If you do this right, then you're now building your list for free. This is because you earn enough affiliate commissions to pay for the solo ads, or even more. I believe this thing is clear and it is just the beginning. There are still some tricks which you should do once you are contacting solo ad vendors. There are questions that you should ask them so they would understand if you're a pro marketer or a newbie. All this good stuff is going to come to you in the next video module.